Counselling is an interaction between two people. I mean, to put it into simple terms, counselling is a professional friendship. It's a very unique friendship. How we connect with another human being, there are various ways. And, you know, some people say to me, it's got to be face to face. And actually, you know, not everybody is comfortable face to face. So internet counselling to me opened up a whole new world. I've experienced some of the strongest relationships within a counselling therapeutic setting actually on video call. In fact, I've got one person I've been working with for nearly 2 years now, where I've never seen the face. We have a video call, but we never have the video on. We just sit talking to the screen. And you know, that relationship is as valid as any other counselling setting. So it works with the right people, connecting with the right people. One other thing about video counselling that I would make a really good point about, and I've spoke about this on a lot of occasions, finding the right counsellor is more important than anything else. It's more important than the setting. It's more important than whether it's face to face. Finding the right counsellor. 80% of therapy, I'm told, and I would agree with this, is the relationship. So it's about the two people within that relationship, the therapeutic relationship. So internet counselling, doing it over the internet, gives you a broader scope of people to connect with. And if you find the right counsellor, whether it's face to face, whether it's on the internet, I think it makes no difference. If that person is the right person for you, then it's going to work.